Look at those wallet balances for a sec. They're absolutely insane. If you're trying to earn big, don't blink. I'm about to show you how I flipped the script completely. It took me a long time messing with meme coins to figure this out, but once I found this method, everything changed. We're stepping into the method, but here's something important. Don't waste your time on pump fun. The place is completely overloaded with no-skill launches. People just toss out coins without paying a dime, and that makes it worthless. Go the smart way and earn something real instead. Jump into Photon, set your filter to pump fun DEX, and you'll see a non-stop stream of meme coins hitting the board. These throwaway tokens get dropped every single second, then fade out just as fast. It's no shock. Pump fun's wide open to anyone with a click. That kind of flood makes it nearly impossible to profit. Switching focus to Radium now, you'll notice a big shift. Not many coins are going live. Just a few have launched over the last couple of minutes. Stack those numbers up against Pump Fun, and the gap is massive. The hype on Radium is unreal. Just check the liquidity numbers. They blow Pump Funds out of the water. That's because you can't fake your way onto this platform. It takes skill. This is exactly why Radium is our path forward. I'll show you what to do. Alright guys, I gotta tell you, this is next level shit, seriously. I was just searching the websites for launching meme coins, and I somehow, but luckily, came across this website called Launch Tool. Like it's a beast of a website. It lets you create a coin on Radium without learning how to code, and without manually launching your coin on Radium. It only costs 0.4 Solana to launch your meme coin and make some insane profits in 1 hour tops. But still, I'll show you exactly how to set up and launch your coin. Logo's done. I grabbed it off Google like I always do. And yeah, it's another trending meme because those never miss. If you're looking to pull eyes fast, go for something viral and funny. That kind of stuff always brings in buys. Fire up Canva, tap Create Design, size it to 128 by 128 pixels, polish it real quick, then save it. Fast, simple, and ready to go. Jump into Launch Tool and begin typing in the basics of your token. I've gone with Dad Ellie as the token name and Dadly as its symbol. For the description, add something funny. Mine says, "The Last of Us meme finally became a meme coin." Pick the logo we designed and click Next. That brings you to tokenomics. Don't edit anything. It's already perfect for what we need. The 1 billion supply must stay for a future part of the setup. Hit Next again, and you'll be on the creator info screen. Heads up. Editing this field hits you with a 0.1 sol charge. Personally, I don't find that worth it. I usually just turn it off and click past it. The next screen is for social media links. Add them if it suits your plan, but I always leave it empty. Keep moving on. Up next is a serious part. Mess this up and it could destroy your coin's launch. So what's the deal with it? If you disable Revoke Freeze, it means you're able to shut down trading anytime. If Revoke Mint stays off, it gives you endless power to mint more coins. Same goes for Revoke Update. It lets you switch up the project details anytime. People notice that and instantly lose faith. And without trust, you won't get any buy-ins, so don't change anything. Just hit Launch My Token. Phantom should open up immediately. Confirm like you always do. That's it, your token is now created. Time to check the stats. I'm hopping on SolScan for mine. And yup, it's officially listed, but keep in mind, it still can't be traded just yet. Alright, here's the last step. Go to Launch Tool once more and hit the button labeled Create Liquidity Pool. That'll bring you right into Radium. Check if your wallet is connected, then set your meme coin as the primary token. Use the drop-down menu, pull the token address from Launch Tool, and paste it in the field below the Select a Token section. Type in the token info after that. I'm filling in Dadly as the symbol and Dad Ellie as the name. Press Add User Token and reselect your token to lock it in place. Go ahead and type in 900 million as the amount. It's the typical starter figure from the full 1 billion supply. Set Solana as your quote token. Since you're acting as the first buyer, it's perfectly safe to press max, but make sure you leave 0.2 sol untouched for the Radium fee. It'll show in yellow. Choose the 2% fee tier. Once everything's filled out properly, hit Initialize Liquidity Pool. Confirm through your wallet. And just like that, your coin is officially tradable. Check Photon and you'll spot your listing right away. Alright, we finished that step. Let's now pull up your trading chart. Navigate to dexscreener.com and pick any coin at random to activate the site. Let it load everything. Next, go back into Launch Tool, grab your token's contract ID, and paste it into DexScreener, replacing the current address. Hit enter. Your chart will show up instantly. Any tiny price action you see right now is likely from bot trades. No stress. Give it a little time and watch for live orders to roll in. And there we go. Our first buy came through after just a short wait. It's worth $20, which converts to about 0.14 Solana. Still holding off for now. I'm interested to see how the next few plays unfold. Also noticing some small sell orders, but that's a positive. Increased volume gives the coin a stronger look to outside investors. One thing before we continue, this is all for educational use, and depending on the situation, your outcome could be different. Okay guys, this is actually getting extremely wild. The second buy just landed like a rocket hitting the ground. That's literally a $30 buy, or in other words, a clean 0.2 Solana, and it was placed just 1 minute ago. By the way, let's check out the stats showing up so far. Liquidity stands at $371, and the market cap is currently at $384. Since the coin was paired, it's grown over 170% in total, and in just the last 5 minutes, it's grown almost 50%. Remarkable. The third buy just came through. It's $25, or 0.17 Solana, and it was placed 3 minutes ago. What I haven't mentioned, guys, is that you can just keep rugging the coin and repeating the process, because with this method, no external marketing is needed. Buyers' eyes will automatically shine, and they'll instantly buy your trending meme coin. You won't get too many buys, but that's exactly why you can keep repeating the method. And if you take a look at the chart, you can see the coin has grown by almost 200% since the beginning. And they just keep popping like a balloon. The fourth buy just came in too, and I'm about to rug the coin right now. It's a $20 buy, which is almost 0.14 Sol. But hold up. Before I take my lovely profit from this coin, let's do a quick scan of the numbers so far. Liquidity sits at $351, while the market cap is currently at $340. And before I rug the coin, guys, keep in mind this was just for the sake of a showcase video. That's why I didn't put much into the liquidity. Open Radium, connect your wallet, and head into the standard screen. Click on the minus icon now. Slide it all the way over to 100%. Focus only on the Sol. It's the part you'll be claiming. Hit Remove Liquidity. Confirm the transaction when it pops up, and just like that, you'll get the green light. That means your profit's in. This part's always my favorite. Open Phantom and enjoy the win. I started off with $100 and walked out with $175. Just want to clarify, I'm not working with Launchtool, Photon, or Radium at all. This whole walkthrough is for learning purposes only. The strategy is super effective at the moment, but who knows how long it'll last. So if you're serious, don't sit on it.